sure she has a good excuse.
Oh, Maria always has a good excuse. If she weren't the best mask maker in all of Europe, I'd have fired her years ago.
You're right, Mother Superior. If it wasn't for Marie, our little mask shop would have closed down long ago.
Or worse, been bought by Photronics.
Oh, Mother Superior, I'm so sorry I'm late. I was working by the new Meebus, and I just lost track of the time. The pattern was so beautiful, and the Meebus was humming this splendid song.
Oh, really?
It was the most wonderful thing. The halls are alive with the sound of Meebus, with masks they have made for so many years. I skip through the halls to the sound of Meebus. I just want to beam every plate I see. I'll make face shield masks and really tough OPC as I write through the day to sing like a fool, making masks for which we won't get paid. I go to the fab when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear what I've heard before. Our right time will soar with the sound of Meebus, and I'll sing once more.
Well, I guess we can excuse you one more time, Maria. And besides, our guest is a little bit late.
Our guest?
Yes, Captain Von Trapp of the Infineon Mask Shop is going to pay us a visit. He has a proposition for you, for us.
What kind of proposition?
Well, you know, he heard about our little mask shop and the excellent work that you do, and he just wants to hire you as a consultant.
Me? Leave the Abbey? But Mother Superior, I was born and raised here. I could never venture out into the big, wide world of mask making.
Oh, don't be ridiculous, my dear. Of course you could. Why, you're just what we need to get our mask shop into tip-top shape.
I'll leave the two of you to discuss it.
Yes, you see, I'm having some trouble with my workers. They're like children and need discipline.
What am I supposed to do with them?
Well, it's very simple. You just teach them what you know. It's quite easy like that. Now it is time for you to meet my darling workers, the children. Children, introduce yourself to Fraulein Maria.
Lisa!
Karl!
Gretel! Brigitte!
Friedrich! Hans! Well, there you are, Fraulein Maria. I leave you to your training. I will be back in an hour and I expect some progress.
Oh, well, let's get to work. We need to get to work. We have less than an hour to make a mask. We need to get started.
But Fräulein, we don't know how to make a mask.
Oh, you're kidding. It's easy. It's the most basic thing in the whole world. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with
A, B, C.
When you mask, you begin with Do, Re, Mi.
Do, re, mi.
The first 3 steps just happen to be Do, Re, Mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, can make this simpler. Dough is cash, it's cold hard cash. Ray is when the beam is on. Me, a brain to make things right. Fa, a plane trip to Taiwan. Seoul, a quaint Korean town. Lot is what you spent in Seoul. T, a phase conflict ahead that will bring us lots of dough. Let's see if you can try it now, okay? Dough
Is cash, it's cold hard cash.
Ray,
It's when the beam is on.
me,
A brain to make things right.
Fa,
A plane trip to Taiwan.
Seoul,
A quaint Korean town.
lot,
Is what you spend in Seoul.
T,
A face conflict ahead.
that will bring us lots of dough. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, so, do. Oh, that was wonderful! Wonderful. Okay, now, let's get to work.
Fräulein Maria,
Oh, yes, dear, what is it?
I have a question.
Okay.
What exactly is that?
Oh, that's a laser pattern generator. It's a production tool for the mask-making process. Beams of light, beams of light. Scanning there is my altar. Pure and white, lasers bright. Scanning there to meet me. Luminous glow, may you burn and glow, burn and glow forever. Beams of light, beams of light, bless our mask shop forever. Luminous glow, may you burn and glow, burn and glow forever. Beams of light, beams of light.
Bless my mask shop forever. Well, Fräulein Maria, what have you accomplished today?
Actually, a lot. The children have made their first mask today.
And look, Papa, it's 130 nanometers.
Excellent, yes. But you know, Maria, we need to be able to repeat this. Yes. That's right. How do you solve a problem like 0.13? How do you write a line so very small? How do you make a mask to do 0.13? Try OPC features.
Or phase shifting structures.
At least.
Many a thing you're going to try and fail at. Many a thing you will not understand.
But we can make it pay.
Will it be EUV or something else? Oh, how do you solve a problem like 0.13? How do you hold the future in your hands? Well, Maria, would you consider joining our little family?
You mean as an employee?
Yes.
Not as a consultant?
Oh, yes. With full benefits, including dental.
Oh, it would be so very hard to leave the mask shop of the Trinity. The sisters have been so good to me, they taught me everything they know.
Oh, well, actually, I was thinking of a merger. We could call it Infinity.
But I'll have to talk to Mother Superior about it.
Well,
Oh, Mother, the most wonderful news. Captain Von Trapp wants to buy our little mask shop. What do you think?
You have my blessing, child, as long as we get stock options. Buy every mask shop, be just